Hi everyone, and welcome to this practice designed to relieve stress and restore balance by tuning into the body's natural rhythm and cultivating presence. Let's start seated. Gently close your eyes. And now let's slowly start by moving our upper body. Big circles. You are welcome to remain with your eyes closed to really feel into yourself. And while you are moving in circles, try to let go of everything that happened today. Try to move it out of your system. You can start sliding your hands up and down your thighs as you move in circles. And now change the direction of the circles, becoming really fluid in your spine, allowing lots of movement. Let each movement be slow and natural, following the rhythm of your breath. The circular movement stimulates blood flow to the muscles of the upper body, increasing circulation and delivering fresh oxygen to the tissues. And let's move into a seated side stretch. Inhale, arms up, and exhale, left hand on the ground, right hand reaching over your head. Gently lean over the left, feeling the stretch through the right side of your body. Begin to sway gently, moving your arms slightly forward and back. Moving as we feels best. Then switch to the other side. Really explore your side of the body. Move slowly. Notice any areas of tightness, letting them to soften. Few more breaths here. Come back to the center. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, twist to the left. Inhale, lengthen through the spine, and as you exhale, twist even more. Let each inhale create space, and each exhale gently deepen the twist if that feels good. Stay here for a few breaths. On next inhale, arms up, exhale, twist to the other side. Again, when you inhale, reach through your crown of the head towards the sky and find lots of length in your spine. And every time you exhale, try to twist a little bit deeper. On your last inhale, reach your arms up and come back to the center. Let's come to all fours for cat-cow. As you inhale, arch your back. Exhale, round your spine. Begin to move intuitively with cat-cow. Maybe shift your hips from side to side or gently rock forward and back. Let your body explore what feels good. Feel free to close your eyes and tune into each subtle movement, noticing where your body wants to go. From all fours, sink back into child's pose with your big toes together and knees apart. Stretch your arms forward, allowing your forehead to rest on the mat. Take a deep breath here, letting your body soften. Then walk your hands over the left side for a stretch along the right side. Breathe into the side body, feeling your ribcage expand with each inhale. Hold for a few breaths. Last breath in and out. Walk your hands over the right, feeling a gentle stretch along your left side. Again, take few deep breaths here. Breathe into the side body. deep breath in and out. Come back to the center, and again, let's come to all fours. From here, lower yourself onto your belly and come into Sphinx pose. With your elbows under your shoulders and your forearms pressing gently into the mat. Lift through the chest, feeling a gentle opening across the heart. Imagine drawing your chest forward as you lengthen your spine. Allow your gaze to be soft, feeling a gentle lift and release through the upper body. You are welcome to close your eyes. And now, bring a little bit of movement into this pose. Try to explore your body. Move in circles or side to side. Connect to your breath and connect to your body what feels good to you. Last inhale, and on your exhale, shift back to your child's pose. We stay here for a few deep breaths. On your last inhale, come to all fours. In this cat-cow version, begin to move in circles. Explore your hips, spine, shoulders. And now switch to other side. Explore how you feel in this movement. Make your last circle. Slowly make your way to a seated position. Extend your left leg out in front of you, with the right foot resting against your inner thigh. Inhale to lengthen, and as you exhale, fall gently forward over your left leg. Take your time here, moving as deeply or as lightly as feels good. Let each exhale soften you further, and maybe add gentle movements up and down to release any tightness. And rest your hands on the ground. Slowly come back up into a seated position. Now take your right leg and place your shin on the floor and the top of your right foot pressing into the mat. Your right heel is touching your glute if possible. Place your hands behind you and begin to lean back, lowering yourself onto your forearms. Pause here. You feel a deep stretch in your thigh and hip flexors, or continue all the way down if your body allows. I invite you to close your eyes. Hold here, breathing into any areas of resistance. Breathe deeply into your belly and the front of your thigh, feeling the stretch deepen with each exhale. Allow your body to soften and relax. Use your arms to press yourself back up to a seated position, moving slowly and mindfully. Now let's move to the other side for a seated one-legged forward bend. Extend your right leg out with the left foot resting against your inner thigh. Inhale to lengthen, and as you exhale, fall gently forward over your right leg. We stay here for a few deep breaths. And again, take your time here, moving as deeply or as lightly as feels good to you. Let each exhale soften you further. Breathe deeply into any area of tightness or resistance. Let go of everything that doesn't serve you. With your last inhale, come back up, pressing hands to the floor for support. And let's move to a half reclined hero pose for a gentle back bend. Your left shin is touching the ground and your left heel is touching the glute. Right leg is extended in front of you. Lean back slowly, lowering yourself onto your forearms. Ensure there's no sharp pain in your knees or lower back. If you feel discomfort, come back up or adjust the pose. Breathe deeply, feeling the stretch deepen with each exhale. Create space to welcome positive changes into your life. Always listen to your body. To come out of the pose, slowly use your arms to press yourself back up to a seated position. Release your left leg and extend it in front of you. Bring the soles of your feet together for butterfly pose. Hold your feet and gently open your knees out to the sides. Lengthen your spine. Hold your feet with your hands crossed. Now lean forward and rest your arms on the floor. Try to find gentle movement with each breath. Relax your head. Connect with the earth beneath you. Feel life flowing freely through your being. Last few deep breaths. With last inhale, slowly come back up. Slowly make your way to lie down. Bring the knees towards the chest, making few circles. Change the direction. Now reach for the outer or inner edges of your feet for happy baby pose. Gently press your knees down toward the mat, keeping your spine grounded. Allow your body to move freely here, maybe rocking side to side or bending and straightening one leg at a time. Let this pose bring a sense of playfulness and release. Breathe here, feeling the stretch in your hips and lower back. I'm pressing the midpoint of the soles of my feet for greater groundedness. Release the pose and slowly place your feet on the floor. Bend your knees and cross your left leg over the right. Slightly move your hips to the left and twist to the right. Relax your arms over your head for a deeper stretch. Let your shoulders soften and breathe into the twist, feeling a gentle release along your spine. Hold for a few breaths. Slowly come out of the pose and come back to the center. Now let's switch the sides. Right leg crossing over the left. Twist to the left. Extend arms over your head. Breathe deeply into your twist, into your rib cage and hips. Soften into the pose, feeling your body open naturally. Take a deep breath in, filling your body with calm and ease. Last deep breath in and out. Gently come out of the pose and come back to the center. One last time, gently hug your knees into your chest and squeeze your body. Now relax completely into your shavasana. Extend your legs out long, allowing your arms to rest at your sides or over your head. Close your eyes and let your whole body relax completely. Release any remaining tension in your body. Let your breath flow naturally, feeling the weight of your body sink into the earth. Soak in the sense of balance and calm you've created. Gently come out of this pose and slowly move to your left side. Your head is resting on your left arm. Your right hand helps you swing from side to side. This movement helps you to reset your nervous system. Slowly stop swinging, allowing your body and mind to fully absorb the benefits of your practice. When you are ready, press up to a comfortable seated position. Take one last deep breath together, bringing your hands to your heart center. Thank you for joining me in this practice today.